So this is actually really good, considering that you make it in the microwave. As you can see, it's like all red because of the red curry paste. I want to give you a taste test, but it's way too hot right now. But trust me, it's really good. Really quick recipe that you can make basically just in a microwave, and it takes like 5 minutes in total maybe to make. Just noodles, coconut milk, red curry paste, and canned chickpeas. Basically all like cupboard ingredients, right? Things that you can just have sitting in your cupboard, and you can just make this whenever. So yeah, definitely try making this.